I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with an administrator account so you can change account and family controls. Once signed in, open Start and select Settings, or press Win+I to jump straight there. Make sure your Windows build is current. This avoids missing parental control features. Next, choose Accounts, then Family and Other Users, because you need to add or select the child account you will manage. Now proceed to add a child if it doesn't exist, so you can apply screen time controls. Once the child account is linked, use the Family Settings page to find screen time controls. You can do this in Settings or at your family Microsoft account online. You'll see device-specific toggles, turn on use one schedule per device if needed, then set daily limits in hours and minutes. For app limits, pick categories or individual apps and assign allowed minutes. Make sure to click Save or Apply. These choices enforce when and how long the device can be used. You finish by testing the rules. Sign into the child account and try opening a restricted app or use the device during a blocked hour so you confirm enforcement. If you need changes, return to screen time to tweak schedules, add exceptions, or change app allowances. Use the weekly activity report to guide adjustments. If limits don't apply, make sure the child's account is properly linked and verified, Windows is updated, and both devices are online, so settings can sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.